An outdoor LED display should do more. Rather than delivering stunning visuals, it should also be built to last. Introducing the FM1000 Outdoor LED Display, a high-performance solution designed for modern, outdoor advertising and architect Euromedia. Built with a high-precision aluminum alloy cabinet, the FM1000 is both lightweight and durable. Its ultra-slim design saves installation space while maintaining exceptional strength. Its integrated design requires only a few cable connections, creating Aclean rear layouts that makes every installation look neat, organized, and professional. With both front and rear maintenance access, technicians can quickly remove cabinets from the front using dedicated tools, reducing maintenance time and minimizing downtime. Supporting both curved installations and seamless 90-degree corner designs, the FM1000 makes it easy to create curved displays, corner screens, and eye-catching naked eye 3D LED installations that truly stand out. Slim design, fast installation, easy maintenance, unlimited creativity. FM1000 Outdoor LED Display, engineered to turn every outdoor space into a landmark visual experience.